Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to fix the issue that you may run into turning on and off the display on a Raspberry Pi. Now, for example, I'm using a Raspberry Pi 4 with only one display screen plugged in. So, for example, if you try to run this command, it won't turn off the screen regardless what port, if it's 02 or 07. So we're going to go ahead and fix it. So we'll just clear this. Then we're just going to nano into the boot config file like such. And if we scroll down, we're going to look for this line right here, the DT overlay, and we're going to scroll over and we're going to put a F as in Frank in front of the K. So it was KMS, now it's FKMS. Then we're just going to do a simple Control X, Y, and enter if you're using Nano. Then we're just going to reboot for it to take effect. Alright, so now that I'm back and logged in, I verified that the HDMI 0 port, the one I'm using closest to the power connector on the Pi 4, if we do the following command, it will turn it off now. We get a 0. And if we change this to a 1, we will get a 1 now. So hopefully this helps out, especially if you want if you have a script set up to turn your display on and off, if you're using like a magic mirror or a PIR sensor, obviously with the magic mirror, or you're just wanting your screen to come off and on using the following command. That's how we can do a workaround to make it work. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.